At the beginning first, say, show them.
Here's the Angry Birds tower. Can John destroy it with 3 Angry Birds? Oh, right through the middle. Oh, he's got one left. What can he do? What can he do? Oh, well done, Matt. John, don't knock it down.
Let's try again.
Failure. Come on, have another go.
It is good that what he's playing like.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hang on. Wait. Come on then.
Try them first. Yellow bit first, blue bit first, and then red.
Go on. How are you missing them, John? Oh, and he slammed them all with 2.
With the red bird.
Don't you jump up and say, well, hey?
Yeah. Now let's do another quarter.
Come on, try and do it on your own now. Try and build it yourself.